Fancy a seasonal cocktail? I have the one for you. A snowflake cocktail. It's going to look gorgeous. It's going to taste even better. You'll love it. Now, off we go. Let's get making it. So all we need is milk. I know, you might think, how odd is that? Trust me. White chocolate. All coming together now. A little bit of Irish cream liqueur. Tiny bit of caramel, not too much. Just sweetens it up nicely. And some ice. And away she goes. See how well the ice is broken up? I put it on smoothie so it will break up. Oh yeah, that's looking good. We have our glasses and they are just ribbed with sugar. So I just dip them in water and then in sugar and let them to dry. Or you can use egg white as well. Then, if you trust me, I shall pour. In she goes. I'm leaving a little gap at the top because I have for the top here some mini marshmallows. So there's eating and drinking in this cocktail. Pile it up with the marshmallows. Let them in before they sink. There we go. And then some little sprinkles on top. So cute. Then you can put your little straw in. There it is. It's as easy as that. A snowflake cocktail. Happy Christmas. Oh God, that's good. For lots more hints, tips and recipes from myself and from all of us here at Ballynock and Cookery School, subscribe now.